We are a tech-enabled cleaning company. We don't have robots, but it's on our list. It's on my list, honestly, to be checking out what else is out there. We're constantly being trained internally on new kind of cleaning equipment and like the best kind of practices, but in terms of tech on our office side, our internal like backside, we have a lot of software that helps run our systems, keeps everyone on track. We have a big map and we can like see where everyone is because everyone's checking in on GPS. So that's like, when I show that to people like accounting partners and kind of sales people that we work with, it's really fun to see like a map of where everyone is across the cities. And that really surprises when I've shown that to clients and they're like, you actually know where everyone is? I'm like, I know where everyone is, so I'm gonna know where they're on your site. And if you're wondering if we're doing the work, because typically clients don't even see us because we're there at like 6 o'clock, everyone leaves and they don't really see us and they come back and somehow the office is clean, so somebody must have cleaned it, but they typically don't really interact with our crews. We have GPS on everyone. Everyone has an app that they clock in and clock out on. We keep track of all of our scope stuff there. We keep track of all of our invoices. There's a client portal. Clients can check in there on their invoices, pay online. So we're just pretty seamless on the client experience, pretty seamless on the worker experience. And as a manager also, we're able to take on a lot more capacity and work in 2 different cities because it's 2025 coming into 2026, and we don't have to, be pen and paper. I've worked with other cleaning companies to split some jobs before, and people are really still working on pen and paper and kind of signing things on paper, faxing it over or scanning it over and emailing it, and it just doesn't need to be that way. We just take like a technology-first approach to everything. We have client folders with everybody's, the crews, the contact information, the managers, everything is in the cloud, organized, and really easy to get out when there's sort of kind of like an emergency that you need to check what's happening on site. We keep track of all of the SDS sheets, so it's like all the chemicals that we track. All that's digital also. We're able to just pull up if there's ever a question of what's happening on your site. We have it all kind of tracked. There's folders also on site, like physically, in case there's any kind of issue, but all of the equipment that we use and the supplies, the chemicals, everything is like, on our dashboard.